Ineno Kala TV. Kala TV machiegni pacho. Ma e odwa.
Kugwen market kod maendi nyoro ne wantie kod ng'anyo go mag joma tatu kanyakla kod conductors ka ging'iyo weche go mag modhi e pacho kaendi. Biro paro ni piny owacho osebedo ka chiedho malich mokalo mabiro neno ni odwoki nengo go mag modhi e pacho kaendi. Twagruok nyobedo chieng' manyoro anyato kutende kod weche go mag modhi e pacho kaendi. Today in the house I'm hosting three gentlemen ambao tunataka kudiscuss nao maneno hii ya fuel. Tusikie fuel iko namna gani, maandamano ilikuwa Kisumu ama iko kwa zile sehemu zilikuwa, how was it, ladies and gentlemen? Allow me to take this opportunity to invite in studio my colleagues. My guest today, Arwako Gimondo Migimosu. I start with the farthest end. Ibrongiyo picha kaendi full wanyige giario itimango gisani.
Okay, thank you very much. Ginyinga and Calvin's Kochupe, the student leader Rotary Vocational Training Center.
Okay.
Yes.
Rotary Vocational Training Center. Ungibedu mangeny. Which Rotary are you talking about?
No. Okay, Rotary, what you ginyinga chill but much of bad one.
Okay, which
one? Yeah. Ma nie to kugina iko cha mar nyithindo cha.
Oh.
Yeah,
you also have one for kids. I didn't know.
Yeah.
TVETs.
And I think no.
I know
the same name but can no to ginyingwa. I the same name but any bad one.
This guy is so serious, man.
Yeah.
Amekwedo hiyo unique kabisa.
Yes.
You are the president.
I'm the president.
President, you are manning how many kids at Rotary? Oh, not necessarily kids, but young people.
The students, we call them students.
Yes.
Yeah, I think at Rotary we are around 2,000 to 3,000 students there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Erokamano. And immediately next to you is Mohammed.
Yes.
Your name?
My name is Mohammed Abdikadir. I'm the current chair ICS Technical College, and I'm also the vice chair Kisumu Central Student Leaders Guild.
What is that now?
Well, this is a group of student leaders from the institutions within Kisumu Central.
Okay.
Yeah. So
up to including Rotary.
Yeah, he's part of it.
Oh.
Yeah.
I'm seeing he's nodding in acceptance to that. Mohammed, a brief of yourself.
Well, I don't have much to say. I'm just a student at the moment who loves politics.
Oh, love politics. I
love politics. I've loved politics since I was young.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good. And next to him is Osiepo Mabende Okenwendo Ainya Kala TV kaendi.
Ojijo John, kama kawaida.
So you said you're going to fail in Kisumu West.
Just as yero kwenye kabisa. Ero kama niko mroka kendo anilonga no Ojijo John kwa mjogo maneno kala for the first time. And student leader at Kenya Institute of Management Kisumu branch, also the incoming member of parliament Kisumu West constituency.
Makofi.
Yes.
Kauno nyakoro mwajong wantie koda jotelo ma kuonde tiegruok mopogore. We are hosting a number of student leaders from different institutions in Kisumu, just from Rotary to ICS and to where?
KIM, that is Kenya Institute of Management.
The other day you guys had issues, man.
It was all solved, man. And now it is with the court, so we are waiting to see how it ends.
And you're going to tell me not to talk about it?
Everything is running. Don't talk about it. Don't talk about it.
You don't want to talk about your matters, man.
Don't talk about it.
Okay. Ojijo, just starting up with you. What did you see yesterday? Today we're talking about matters fuel. Right. Fuel levy and fuel.
Yes.
Muliona nini jana?
Jana niliona maandamano katika most parts of our country. And sikuiona kwangu in my bedroom, that is Kisumu.
Okay.
So I think it doesn't mean that Kisumu fuel bei yake iko chini. Lakini I think Wajaluo wameamua kwamba we've been on the streets for a while. So tuache watu wengine pia wajaribu kukaa kwa street.
Okay.
Which is a good thing, but anyway I think when it come to matters fuel, involve all of us. Unajua fuel ikipanda kila kitu inapanda mpaka chakula. So I think we really need to do something, but before we do something I think the government really need to hurry about it so that we can see what they can do before we can do something as the citizens of this country. Yeah. Lakini Kisumu was a bit cool and anyalo acheni nagi maintain the peace and the calm, lakini oknyis ni weche beyo.
Okay.
It was a decision management.
I hope Kisumu was peaceful. You were in broad-based. Is it because of broad-based arrangement? Moa is nodding in disagreement.
Okang'eyo gima miyo nyo Kisumu onge maandamano. Lakini aparo ni next maandamano Kisumu nyaka bed included. Mano gima wapango kaka Linda Mwananchi team. Nekech ing'eni jowa mantiere in the ground nyote mo bagwa matin gi ginie.
They said they are no longer called in the ground.
wacha ni
Yes.
ODM.
Yes.
It's okay, whatever their name is. Like in our function, that is the Linda Mwananchi, that is within ODM. Wanonge oninyaka wadhie street nikech we are the only serious opposition who are there to speak for the citizens of this country.
So you said you are going to Linda Mwananchi while yesterday there were people...
Actually, yesterday we had
Hold on,
a briefing.
TJ. Hold on. Yesterday there were people on the street lindering Mwananchi and you refused to go.
Yesterday ne wan gi issue masira za Kalinda Mwananchi team Kisumu. Ne wa the other day before yesterday ni na kaka ne attend your somewhere around Kisumu ka. And
No, was that meeting?
Nyoro, yes.
Nyoro team.
Yes, thank you. A team of mine of Linda Mwananchi function here in Kisumu. Nyo work and onegi team of press briefing in media. Kanegi kwedo weche mane work from Samatandi. Gini weche makelo lwe. Samatandi osebedo sane limelight nekech weche mag kelo tulo.
Okay.
Ochalo ngama fuel for war. Wakati na uona kende bobo manage lakini nyawa criticize na more gijoga manyo work manyo team of press being headed by Linda Ogweno. Manyo ni part of that press and the rest of the manene tie. Kana nyo gikwedo wach no kabisa. Kendo sa ni wach mara tani no nego bedi kata gi IG of police. Ko bedu ento DCI matin.
Okay.
Yeah.
Attorney is the government.
No.
Mohammed.
Yes.
Is going to the streets to demo over fuel worth it?
Well,
Is it pinching you? Fuel issue.
yes, it is. But as you can see, the people of Kisumu have gone to the streets a lot, and nothing changed when they went to the streets, and that's why the people of Kisumu have decided no more protest.
Okay.
Let the people who are representing us, the MPs, senators, to do their work.
Okay.
Yeah.
You are student leaders. What are you up to? What are you organizing your fellow students about? Because you know most of your students are the one being used by politicians
Yes.
to run in the streets, to echo and to do these things. Number one, how do you feel the pinch of the fuel issue, and maybe what do you think young people can do? How should they be involved?
Well, I think as of now we don't have youths who are representing us in the national government. That is why come 2027 we need youths to step up so that they can grab the seats, so that we have proper representation. Proper representation has been a big problem for students, and that's why we need youths in that seat.
Okay. I think maybe your colleague would also tell us, bana kinyoro nyokwaneno kuwuok koko kako jende to demonstrate. Does it mean ni fuel ni or affect to kaka young people? It's not biting into you.
Okay, agoro kamano kendo. Gima timore sani en ni fuel ni ohinyowa sana. Kendo kata kibedi no kineno ka jo Kisumu no dhi ng'anyo. I think ni information maber ema no kuwuok nyoro kaka wanjo Kisumu mondo mi wadhi, lakini an koka kora ng'anyo ni aseneno gik motimo mang'eny.
Okay.
Ng'anyo sekelo ng'anyo moriembo wazungu. Koro ng'anyo mar fuel ni ana support ma kata ka bedi ni inyalo pange next time.
Okay.
An kaka Calvin Kochupa nyabedo involved nikech gik ma ng'anyo osetimo osekelo changes ma okanyal pingo ni ng'anyo ok en gima rach, en gima ber as long as no matime koluwore gi chik ma wan godo.
Demonstration or maandamano is a right in the constitution.
Yes.
Our people have been losing their lives. Are you ready for that?
Okay. Wa lose life kaluwore ni polise ma wan godo ema samoro okawo maandamano kaka gir dhaw, but ok en kamano. Iyudo ni iparo ni ng'anyo mopang gi kwe kata ko wajo piny odhe ng'anyo gi kwe dhaw kode wuoge, tiyudo ni kwase kwa thuolo mar ng'anyo no endo tiyudo ni polise kawe kaka yomoro mopogore mane mang kelo tho mag jo endara, but wan wadhi ng'anyo wadhi gi intention maber.
Okay.
Polise mar kelo koko momiyo ang to wuoke e ng'anyo.
Mohamed, kazi ya polisi ni kufanya nini mkiwa huko nje?
Well, it is to protect the people, and what I saw yesterday wasn't a good picture. As you can see, Kipchumba
What did you see?
Murkomen said 4 people were killed in the protests.
Okay.
And I saw some videos of people who are young people who had a bright future ahead of them killed. And that is not a good thing, because lugha yao yenyewe inasema utumishi
Kwa wote?
kwa wote.
Okay.
Yeah, they should be protecting us instead of killing us. Yeah.
Ojijo, what role is the police having when you are on the road?
Just as, without just going to the role exactly, as a Linda Mwananchi comrade, what led to the broad-based tulisign what we call the 10-point agenda. Katika hiyo 10-point agenda tulifanya hii maneno, tuliweka chini hii maneno ya extrajudicial killing.
It was a key thing.
Yes, it was a key thing.
Okay.
It was supposed to be addressed. Hata kulikuwa na compensation kwa wale ambao victims walikuwa katika hiyo line ya extrajudicial killing. It is something that has not been actualized by this government. So we are quite disappointed as Linda Wananchi, and we really condemn and criticize, because the Kenyan police, they don't have the power of independence.
Okay.
How they should be working.
Well, why do you say that, Ojijo, while they have an independent body, IPOA? You know about IPOA?
I know about an IPOA,
okay,
which is a body which is, looking into matters police. But the police, they hawana ile power ya kukua independence. There seem to be someone mwenye anasema you go right and they will go right. You go left and they will go left. So it is unfortunate that the young people lost their lives yesterday, going to the road trying to express themselves.
Okay.
It is a sudden thing. It shouldn't have happened.
We had like 4 deaths. We had injuries.
Yes.
We had looting and destroying of properties.
Yes.
Mohammed, you are in for that? We should go loot, destroy property. You know where your parents maybe could be doing business there.
Yes.
Imagine one day umeamka na upate vijana wamevandalize your stall and everything is on.
No, that is not a good thing, because at the end of the day, this is someone who has worked hard to earn a living, and you going there and looting, inaharibia mtu maisha yake. Yeah, I'm not in for it.
Your friend is saying you were late, we should go to the road.
I don't think we should be going to the road, yeah? As people of Kisumu.
I love the way Mohammed is saying, man, what are you saying? Okay.
We're going to the streets a lot. And I know for sure if the people of Kisumu went outside yesterday to protest, we would have seen death.
Okay.
And that is something that has been there in every protest in Kisumu County. Yeah.
Mohammed, just as Mohammed should understand protest. Protest is not about young people exposing themselves to the street to be killed. Protest is you protesting against, whatever is pinching you from the government. That is why the young people wanakuja hapa nje kusema kwamba enough is enough, na ile ya baba punda amechoka.
Yes.
When punda amechoka, you do anything for it. It's only that the police ndio wafanyi their mandate according to how they should, handle the protesters. Actually, they should even be supporting protesters. Mimi nikifanya kampeni yangu ya chukua kadi ile ya
I saw you in TikTok.
Hiyo tuko kadi hiyo.
Yes.
I remember a situation where the police were even escorting us at some point. So which is what we need. So when it comes to Kenya wakienda kwa street, inafaa polisi ndio wanasahau kazi ambayo wanafaa kufanya, lakini it is within our right, in fact our democratic right, kwenda kwa street to address our issues. So ukisema tunaenda kuuliwa hiyo ni
Ojijo, I don't deny that, but you see, you are behaving to Mohammed as if you are thrown to this world from the moon.
What do you mean?
This thing have been happening.
Yes.
What Moha is saying is that they have been killing our people. So the big question is asking, what should we change?
It is the police
Now,
who fail
hold
the
on.
people.
We went to the street yesterday. Those people went. Nani ali expect mtu atauawa?
Is where I'm saying, maybe in all of these, blaming the police. Yeah, because it is the police who killed them, or they were killed na nani? Si ni police ndio waliwaua. So how do we deal with this issue? I mean, why must police all of the time wakati vijana ama the Kenyans wakitoka nje protest against something, lazima waone kwamba kuwaua ndio ni solution? That is to scare the rest of the protesters.
A question you would ask: how many were on the street?
There was quite a good number.
Why only 4 were killed?
Unless the police give us, a clear statement about the 4 who were killed.
Saa zingine, we would also ask that, mbona wewe ndio uliuawa? Mbona mwali baki?
Just as it is the police.
Do you think sometimes young people also push too much?
We don't push too much.
Okay.
We push what we believe is rightfully ours.
What is that more? That you believe is yours?
Well, right now fuel prices have gone up.
Yes.
Correct.
And that means it is affecting the livelihood of comrades.
Yes.
Yeah, that is what they went out to picket about. And that is their democratic right. Yes, the police should be protecting them.
Do you agree there's, to some extent, they turn to be rowdy?
No.
As you can see, the protests that the Gen Z have
Ojijo want to respond for you.
the protests that the Gen Z have been holding have always been peaceful.
Yes.
Until the police come. That is when this thing turns rowdy.
Okay.
The Gen Zs are always peaceful. We do our thing. We just use phones. That is what we always do. You met me that day. I didn't have a stone. I didn't have anything.
I didn't check your pocket.
No. I just went out to do my democratic right as a citizen.
And I was shocked to see you in the street, Moha, of all the people.
Well, at the end of the day...
You said that thing pinched you. It got into your nerves.
Yes, at the end of the day, this thing affects me. Yes.
Whether you stay at home.
The same way, this thing affects the same police who are killing us.
Thank you. That's a very good point.
No, Ojijo.
That's
I
a
know.
very good point.
My friend.
Yes.
These people, like, they're now backing you up.
Okay.
Jogi Koro Siri.
Gima nitie ni ande.
Yes. Kilicho. Gima koro nitie.
Gima nitie ni ande.
Wachno. Gima nitie.
Adwa mi example moro.
Yes.
Kane wa organize Linda Mwananchi mane timre Kisumu kae.
Oh, you also Linda Mwananchi?
Wow.
Aja Linda Mwananchi mutegno kabisa.
I didn't know. But we go.
Kane wa organize mondo timre nodiwa kumoro.
Who is that?
Maono kabiluongo.
Okay.
Nodiwa kumoro ka jotelo
You have
mag
the right
student
notes.
leaders. Mondo mi kikwa bed involved. Linda Mwananchi. To chik mantie ni ng'ato ka ng'ato yiene mar associate gi group moro as long as ne otimo gima kare kaluwore gi chik ma wan godo. Ing'eyo ni joka no threatenwa, in fact an kana chiwo odago kinyi. Nitie joma nopangi mondo interfere gi rally man wapango.
No, was it a rally? The day you guys were going to IBCO thing?
No. Awacho Linda Mwananchi man watimo gi babu
Oh, the one you guys walked through the street
from
of
Nyalenda
Kisumu.
to...
And you are so proud of coming to Kisumu.
Very nice.
Are you a villagers?
Just
It's only a villager who would come to Kisumu and brag. I don't get town.
just us. Ine no gima matimo.
By the way,
yes.
Why were you so proud of stepping into Kisumu?
Okay, ngino mi wa threats. Ma atandi uoyo kwa bedo girani.
That's Mheshimiwa Tandi Okatandi.
Mheshimiwa Tandi.
Yes.
Mheshimiwa Tandi uoyo.
Yes.
Nika wan wood ng'ato kata nyathi ng'ato watema ne organize rally. Not imno kuno kwatimore. To kane gipango threatenwa.
Yes.
Ma gikelo joma gikelo go. Negi fwenyo ni jopiny ne ng'eny manowuok oko ne gichacha momiyo ne gidok chien. Iparo ni degi med rido kanda. Donji dotho chieng'no.
I don't know. You are the one
who Jidotho. To kane gineno jopiny manowuok ne gichacha.
You would have died.
Oh, okay. Crash. But joma nodong do dhiga agenda ma ngodo mbele. Kata kata tho joma nodong do dhiga agenda ma mbele. But gimo ng'eyo police dhi kodwa marach.
Is it worth your life?
Okrach. Katho ratiro mara ka support maber. Ere shida kanyo.
Or did you want to help you?
Okay.
Just as
Yes.
issue of Linda Mwananchi, starting with the rally that my brother is trying to address that happened in Kisumu.
Where you guys were beating your chest, may get streets in Kisumu.
Yes. You know, for a moment...
Ojijo, why was coming to Kisumu a big thing?
For a moment, Kenyans thought that you know Kisumu is a two-term thing, but the Linda Mwananchi rally that we organized in Kisumu will prove Kenyans that this thing is otherwise. It is not what people thought it was. So I'm telling you,
Kisumu
no, it is me first of all, tafadhali. Hii maneno ya Linda Mwananchi ya Kisumu hii, kuna watu walifikiri Kisumu it's a two-term zone. It proved the world that Kisumu is a one-term zone, and those numbers are actually people. Numbers don't lie, my good friend Justice. Those numbers wameamua na ni one term. And let me, this is a good platform also to address Atandi. Atandi, you know, amekuwa kitrend kwa vitu za Kisumu sana.
It's an honorable member.
It's okay. In fact, I sympathize with my great people of you know, wherever he's representing as an MP. It is quite sad. I don't know whether it was the best option of all the people.
He's an honorable member for Alego Songa.
Yeah, I don't know whether it was the best option for the Alego Songa people. Because honestly, look at this gentleman you brought to us. I don't know what this great guy has turned into. Because an honorable member shouldn't be giving utterances like he is giving. I mean, honestly, why do you, every statement you give is about kuweka vita kwa watu wenyu wa kwenyu. And in fact, we are all losers. You know, I mean, ingekuwa ni mtu mwingine atupiga tungesema ni ukabila. Lakini sasa within ourselves now, Atandi anasema siji Kisumu, you know, we are not cowards by the way. And we need to remind Atandi, hiyo democracy that is enjoying to come to address us in Kisumu, ndio hata sisi ndio the rest of Kenyans are having. Na hii issue yake it should be taken seriously. And as a Linda Mwananchi, I think the IG of police will take it seriously. It is time because hii maneno yakiendelea hivi it will cause chaos between our people. We don't need people who are bringing confusion to our people, to the vita nini within ourselves. We are all Kenyans and Kenya belongs to us all. We have these democratic rights that govern every Kenyan wherever they go to. We have freedom of movement and everything we are doing. So I think Atandi is mistaken.
And you are also scared.
No, we are not cowards. As
The
a Linda
other
Mwananchi,
day-
I am not coward.
The other day, we saw your party leader.
That is the acting party leader, James Orengo.
Yes, de facto party leader in Muhoroni,
Yes.
without telling even the media he's going there. Yesterday we saw him in Ringa
Yes.
and in Oyugis.
Yes.
Mnaogopa nini?
Nothing you're afraid of. The guy is campaigning. My party leader, the acting party leader, James Orengo, is campaigning for
Mbona
this.
mnajificha?
You know, hatujifichi, my friend. Hii kitu tunafanya as Linda Mwananchi, we are calculative.
Okay,
You know,
what I mean is,
you know,
yes, you heard about attorney's statement that maybe, according to you, are not good, according to me too.
yes, yes.
But they have also said on 31st, wako Kisumu. Mapema, wamesema mapema. Nyinyi zenu, tunashtukia tu kuona kwa Facebook.
My friend, you know, hii rally, kwanza ukisikia vile wanaongea hii kinawanga, eti wakwaye ujo Kisumu be rally. You know, Baba never invited people for his rallies. The thing is,
I was in that meeting. I have the clips here.
and I'm telling you,
They didn't quiet. I would stand for Wanga.
what did they mean? Wakisema ati yo wakwaye umondo ubi mondo nenu.
Why can't
that
you?
clip if you have it, because
You, Linda Mwananchi sect. Mbona mnajificha? That's
we
my
are not
word.
hiding. Where are we hiding?
Hold on.
Tukienda mahali tunasema.
No, you don't. Mnasemea nani?
No, we have our channels of communicating.
To your leaders.
No, not to our leaders. By the
Yes.
way, tunaweza hide pia sawa si mbaya, because why would we hide? The government itself wameanza kutu frustrate. That is why every rally that we attended, actually before hii maneno yote, tulikuwa na hard time. If you remember the Kitengela rally that Sifuna had, the major rally that happened in Kitengela, many people thought, and you can see the frustration from the...
Mtajificha for how long?
It's not about
Yeah,
hiding.
yeah.
It's not about hiding.
Omera.
Okay.
People for how long?
Yes, guys. Gini ok en pondo. Ineno sirkal mangodo sani, oluor makende wadiye maromo nade. When sirkal luor,
Thank you.
okaluor mana wach ni sirkal luor.
Yes.
Ineno rally mwadhiegi.
Uh-huh.
Gin kaka ineno wach mopondo no.
Yes.
Wapondo.
For safety.
To king'iyo dhano mobiro.
No, you accept.
Dhano mobiro. Dhano mabiro rally mwapondegi. Manok walando no. Dhano mabire. Biro maromo nade.
Were just handful.
Ai.
In Ringa. I watched.
Okay. Itiyo gi kizungu mar handful donge.
Opongo lwedo.
Gipongo lwedo donge. Gipongo lwedo. To kolande iwinja.
Correct.
Jomobiro.
Kwa itemo imagine ni kulando.
Kwalando. Chalo nade. Sirikal masani noluor. In fact gin ko walanda ndaka sani maybe kala de land no sani wabiro kangin samode dose dinwa katoko. Adwa lando ni
Yes.
jolne mona nyimo ko biro kala TV. Dose dinwa katoko ka
You
giluor.
know you are from Linda Mwananchi. Anyway, Muhammad,
Yes.
where are you?
I'm in ODM.
And I love that.
Yes.
You don't know Mwananchi, you don't know
At
ground.
the end of the day, Linda Mwananchi and Linda Graham are part and parcel of ODM.
You're becoming bright.
Yes.
So this does not mean you are stupid. No. You know, can you be fair with that? You cannot tell me because Moa is saying he's only a person. So since you're gonna, you know, and now he's the only bright man in the
No, I didn't say he's the only one.
No, you've mentioned him as
No,
bright.
okay. You are waiting to
I mean-
wait. I give my statement on you.
Can you give clarity on that?
You're also sharp.
No.
Okay, what I know about Momo is a coward. That's what I know.
That is a coward actually.
Exactly. Let me tell you. Let me tell you.
No,
When
hold on. I want more to clarify.
Okay.
More, are you a coward?
No.
Prove to us.
You know, at the end of the day, I cannot say I am part of Linda Mwananchi. I won't lie. I support what they do.
Good.
I support what they do. But at the end of the day, I need to realize that I'm a member of ODM. Yes.
What he's trying to say, according to Venye namsikiza, he likes the things Orengo could be
Yes.
pushing for, Babu Wino could be pushing for, but he's wondering where you're going. At the end of the day.
It's not about wondering where we're going. You know. The last time I told you, just as when we were trying to have our lengthy calls outside the studio, I was trying also to explain the Linda Mwananchi thing to you. You know, Linda Mwananchi, we are pushing forward with the social justice that Baba Raila Odinga stood for. That is what we meant. It is in good faith what we are doing. Hii team ingine, these are the function. They are, I would say, they are so drunk with power that they don't see clearly for their people they represent. What Linda Mwananchi Brigade are doing, if you listen carefully to Sifuna, my super SG, if you listen to Babu Owino and Orengo, they think that
Is the SG for what?
ODM SG.
Yes.
You know, yeah.
Not Linda Mwananchi.
So yeah, we are not denying.
There's no party called Linda Mwananchi.
We didn't even say Linda Mwananchi is a movement. Nobody said it's a party.
But the other day you went through the back door to register it and you were sent away.
No. Nobody did that. Linda Mwananchi is a movement, and this movement is mekwanga within ODM, just like.
Anyway, hold on.
Yeah.
You're telling me you're in Linda Mwananchi, which is not even registered. True or false?
Linda Mwananchi is not a party.
I know what I'm asking. It's not registered.
It's not a party. It's a movement.
I know it's not a party. I'm asking you. Is it registered?
Do you register movements?
Well, what is this guy saying?
Do we register movements?
What is a movement?
It's a function within the.
Hold on. When you have color TV,
Yes.
can we work without registration and operation?
It's a business. You must, have the permit.
You don't have a business in Linda Mwananchi?
My friend, Linda Mwananchi is part of ODM. We are not going anywhere.
Correct. You're with
What
Moha.
I'm telling you, this is a movement.
Moha is now brighter.
Moha is not brighter. Moha is brighter, yes. I'm not.
But you're running with him now.
No.
No, I'm saying anymore.
Maybe you did get it clearly.
No.
Linda Mwananchi is within ODM.
ODM.
Yes.
Which is now
we are
the
not
registered
denying.
party.
Which we are not denying.
Si ndio party imesajiliwa.
When
No.
SG.
Ojijo.
My friend.
You don't become weak when you just say yes.
Justice. Wakati Raila alikufa, Sifuna ambaye ni SG ya ODM alisimama akasema.
That's perfect.
Akasema baba, mimi sitakuwa amongst watu ambao watarek your party. And that is what Sifuna is doing. He's staying true to his words that he gave his boss.
His late boss.
Yes, so this is a good thing. Hatutaki kuharibu ODM ya baba. The movement we are as Linda Mwananchi is now standing for the people of Kenya. Yenye wale wengine wale wengine wanasema.
According to the registrar of political parties. And why am I lying?
Yes, you're not lying. It is true.
Just as we are a movement within ODM as Linda Mwananchi.
No, you are not. Who registered you?
ODM is registered by the register of political parties.
Linda Mwananchi?
We are not a party.
So,
yeah,
you're just in the hair,
no.
hanging there. One day you'll boom.
No.
Wait.
There is no one day we will.
Yes. What do you think?
There is no one day.
This thing called Linda Mwananchi, what is it?
Okay. An kaka nene.
Kaki winje.
Kaka winje.
Yes. Ojijo winje mopogore.
Linda Mwananchi ka. Aye bed Linda Mwananchi kena aye gi jotimo nikeche. Seche mane baba pod ngima.
Yes.
Nitie jowa mano gole ODM. Motere sirikal mondo kony sirikal.
You call them experts.
Experts.
The likes of Wandai.
The likes of
Mbadi.
Budu gwengo John Mbadi. Mano jagwenga. Gima chanda en niya. Tok to Raila.
Yes.
Kwa ngini Raila ne chungi jopiny. Kendo yudo ni Raila ne ng'ama ne listen gima ji wacho. No ken ng'at moro ma ohero mare.
Anasikiza ground.
Owinjo ground, iwinjo. To koro in nyaka ne Raila to ne jok mane watero koni. Design ma jogi wuoyo go, jogi ero margi.
Okay.
In fact eta ywak mar jopiny ok giwinjo. To kwa ng'iyo an adongo ngima na duto ka dongo. Ng'ama na ng'eyo e siasa na mokwongo en mar Raila.
Okay.
To naneno kaka cha en siasa ne duto te baba no chung ne jopiny. To jok makoro nie team machielo ma wan e team Linda Mwananchi to gin kocha chako. Gini yudo ni gi support Ruto makata ngima tek ne jopiny. Gin kono en to tam makata ngima tek ne jopiny te en to tam. Iwinja. E pasa ni Raila de ngima. Wach film mantie ne. Apani Raila do wuoyo maber kabisa.
Okay.
Do ngima. To kaluwore sa Raila onge, ichuno wai kocha makata piny tek te en to tam, makata piny tek te en to tam. Omiyo an kang'iyo ideologies man kod Linda Mwananchi miya bedo koni nikech I feel ni an de Raila ngima koni kata eme kuma denti. Dok en kocha. Come on.
Why can't you advise your bosses to now register you as a political party?
Okay.
That is not the intention.
Ineno, just as. Okowuoge ODM.
Oh.
Okowuoge
That is
ODM.
not the intention.
Okay.
Kendo ka paro nitie ni modho wuoke ODM, chama cha kaka giwacho ni Raila noweno magodo no. Nowene go jite no ko wene ni obed mar jomoko to jomoko kik obed margi. Okowuoge ODM. Gima wadwaro en ya. Nyaka jok ma wacho to tamka. Winje background wachang. Watelo na jopiny to jopiny go nyaka winji gito gi wachango. Kamano.
Thank you. Mohammed, what do you think? These people are saying they are a faction which they are calling Linda Mwananchi, which has no
And
base.
also remember Mohammed is also Linda Mwananchi too.
Yeah.
He just
But anaogopa.
I love the ideologies of Linda Mwananchi.
But you're in ODM.
But I'm a member of ODM.
Who is Oburu to you?
Oburu is the party lead.
Correct. Ona venye Ojijo sana
I don't
anakuongelea.
recognize Oburu as the party leader.
Ojijo anakuongelea ni kama unamsaliti.
At the end of the day, I recognize Oburu Odinga as the party lead of ODM.
And Gladys Wanga?
She's the chairman.
Hivi ndio manager Nyando.
No, he's having.
But
his
I won't deny the
opinion.
fact
He's
that
having
Linda
his
Mwananchi is part of ODM.
True.
Yes.
But now the worry is when we are in the 5th month or the 6th month of the year, less than roughly 10 months to election, if I'm not wrong. As a community, without saying Luos or what, as a community that come from this block, umoja wetu ndio nguvu ama nguzo yetu.
Yes.
Why don't you people think we need to come together so that you bargain?
The
in one
confusion that is amongst our top leaders
And who are they?
about let's talk for example these two gentlemen who were appointed to be the CSS, that is Mbadi and Wandai. If you see what these gentlemen are doing, their battle is about kingpinship. Who is the next kingpin? We are Luo after
For the Luo nation, yes.
You know, that is, you know, hapo ndio mpaka tunasahau what we are supposed to do as leaders, you know, what they are supposed to do as leaders that they are. So after nilisikia juzi somewhere, and I was so happy with Winnie, how she stood strong to condemn
In Nyamira or in Kisii?
in whatever it
Nyamira.
was, you know, Nyonka's mother funeral.
Yes.
So you see, the CS position for treasury is not a political office, just like Winnie told
That I agree.
Mbadi.
That I agree with you.
And to see how low this gentleman is, the next day he went ahead to respond to Winnie. I mean, as a guy, I don't fight with women. Why would Mbadi want to fight Winnie in matters politics? In fact, for heaven's sake, Mbadi is in the level of being even the father to Winnie. You don't argue with Winnie just because she had a different opinion with you. I mean, she was very right. It is something that she reminded you that you might have forgotten as a CS. Kitu ambayo Mbadi anasahau, Mbadi kwanza anatumia ofisi ya CS treasury vibaya. That is not how it should be done. In fact, it's not just the CS for the Luo nation. You need to see Mbadi in other parts of Kenya. We need to see him in Lodwar. We need to see Mbadi in you know, those other places. Si kila saa kunyanza kuongea kwa matanga kusimama na kuongea maneno ya siasa instead of delivering to the people. We are now having global issue here as well. Let him address na tuambie challenges. Atuambie kwa nini fuel is cheaper in Uganda, yet fuel inafika Uganda ile inapitia Kenya ikienda Uganda. Those are the things we need to hear. Si maneno ya kusoma kwa matanga na kushika microphone and telling us, you know, sisi ndio kama Wajaluo kila saa. We are not, no. It's not a CS for the Luo's nation. It's a CS for the whole Kenya.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you know you cannot compare the Kenyan shilling and the Ugandan.
No. The question Kenyans are asking and everyone is asking.
When you're in Uganda, Kenya is more true or false?
True. The bigger question Kenyans are now asking is why is it that the fuel ile inauzwa Uganda inapita through Kenya, lakini kwa nini Kenya it is expensive na Uganda it is cheaper? That is the bigger question now Kenyans are asking.
Understand you.
So let them give us these answers. Yes.
Mo, what do you think that old woman from the village is going through on this matters fuel and this matters maneno ya maisha? Let's not picture the streets of Kisumu, Nairobi. Let's go to the rural homes. How are they putting up?
Well, when fuel prices go up, it affects everything. Recently, I saw a video on TikTok. There's a mama who sells mbonge here. She said the watermelon, now she's selling it for 1,000 shillings. And she said kitambo, she used to sell it for 600 shillings. And in these 600 shillings, she used to get a profit of 300. And now she's only getting a profit of 100 shillings.
Okay.
So you can see how this is affecting the common mwananchi. And this is something we need to look into because it is going to cost a lot.
Okay. And maybe more before I leave you, I go to the gentleman at the other end.
Yes.
Since this fuel issue began, how has it bite into you as an individual? Maybe when you talk to maybe your border guy, your Uber guy, has things changed or things are just normal?
Well, just yesterday, I had a meeting at Eastview Hotel. And as I was leaving, it was around 7 p.m. Nilipanda boda,
Yes.
as I was going home. The normal price is 70 shillings. It is 50 shillings.
Roughly 50, yes.
Up to town. And now he had to charge me 80 shillings because of the cost of fuel.
And he explained that to you?
Yeah, he explained. He told me, unajua venye mafuta iko saizi. And I didn't complain because I understand what he's going through.
The only thing he didn't know, you were in a meeting trying to solve that. Ja Rotary.
Okay.
Gini kaka chamo jowa e kor gwenge. Dayo moro mantie dala down in Suba, inge how life is. Ere kaka gini donjo ma affect wa e nyake kor gwenge.
Suggest gini chanda nikeche bomu gini chanda ang'iyo ngima madala an adongo dala.
Yes.
Ok adongo Kisumu, adongo dala.
Correct.
To kang'iyo ngima madala gima sani kora paro ni mama na kale dala kata dana kale dala. To awinjo kalit na sana nikeche wane Kenya ka tich onge mano moko. Waonge tiji. Mar ariyo seche makoro fuelo idho ni. Gimora mora seche ma fuelo idho bei nyaka dhi malo. Kora imagine ni sani ka fuelo idho ni to ngima betek dala kacha chien. Sani ko dala winjo tek mara monade. Chanda kabisa. Koro miyo an wach fuel ni omiyo dhano winjo matek. Ma jowa mawacho ni wane sirikal gi. Ging'e ni dhano winjo matek.
Okay.
Mano gima nyaka ging'e. Dhano winjo matek.
John, what did you say? Yesterday, Wandai had a meeting, a press briefing,
Yes.
with the Matatu operators, and there was a bust.
Yes.
When one of the leaders in the Matatu association said that's not really what we agreed about.
Yes.
What do you count on that?
First of all, Wandai has become part of the incompetent CSS we are having in Kenya right now. If you see, Wandai is in the record. Sometime hata aliulizwa mahali the type of oils we are having in our country. He's not aware of that. So Wandai is someone mwenye he really doesn't know what he's doing. And it's quite unfortunate that these are men who are trusted with Baba, donated them as experts, yet they are now failing the dockets that they were trusted to, they will deliver. So it is quite unfortunate. Whatever the Matatu guy, the Matatu sector person, or chair or whoever he was, stood up to say, I agree with him fully, because that is now where they stand as the Matatu operators. Because hatutaki kupelekwa na maji. We need people who are bold enough to say just as in uongo, we never agreed, and that is what we saw yesterday. So maneno ni ya fueli watueleze vizuri, because just like my brother had said, wakati fueli inapanda kila kitu inapanda. At even walking itself will be expensive.
Yes.
Because now wakati chakula imepanda siwezi kuafford tena, na mimi natembea because siwezi panda gari juu ya fuel. My friend say I'm going to die. Yeah. Okay. So before I die, let the government rescue us.
Okay.
Yes.
Mohammed, you saw that interview?
Yeah.
What did you count on that?
Well, I love the way the gentleman talked. He stood for what was right.
Okay.
That was not the agreement they had. And what we need today, I heard they're supposed to have another meeting today. Or
Correct, yes.
Yeah. He needs, if they decide, even if venye tunaenda, let them tell the people of Kenya the truth. Hakuna kuficha. Yeah. At the end of the day, this is affecting Kenyans at large.
And what's your take on the yesterday's interview, your live ya watu wengine walikuwa wanaona like Jogo kudo wimbadi Wandai?
Okay, msajja sasa ngima mora sana ni ya. Dhano koro ol gimiriambo. Kendo gibro kweri no mata ni serikal no mata inango. Gibro koni. Ing'eyo nyoro kane jafwambo mali ya beach ne timo
interview
mabe.
Yes.
Rawera moro no bukore mbele kamera ni gin gi watu tam. Ya apane kani neno idino kwa kwera ching ni tutam no mano mari. Wanoja wango. Wajo one time. Kuma kuro chope ni dhano ol gi miriambo. Kendo dhano kuna diri. Ana mor gi jok mane otimo gima nyoro seche mane gin gi interview no. Nok gidwa pando no mata ni nen nga e sirikal. Wan waol. Wabro wacha adieri no mata ni ngao.
Udagi.
Wadagi watamo.
Wadagi.
That's a Buru's phrase anyway. Just on another level, Jijo. Role manima young people in Tiego in salvaging this country.
Young people, we have a role, and one thing I've studied is that tuko na shida ya viongozi. I had this interview sometime back. Tuko na shida ya viongozi. It's about succession planning. We have no leaders who are ready to nurture the young leaders who are coming up. Leaders have become too selfish. Wataki kuwashikilia mikono vijana wadogo na kuwa nurture. The way Raila used to do. Pele ameshikilia vijana wote tunaona kina Babu na kina wale wengine. So right now tukiangalia there are no leaders who are really willing to do that to the remaining leaders. Our young leaders wanachipuka. So young people should not just be the cheerleaders of these politicians.
Okay.
It is time we be part of the table. That whenever these decisions are being made, tunakuwa part of it.
Okay.
Because we have all it takes. Hatutaki kukuwa tu numbers ya kupiga kura. We also need to see at this table. That is why the young man that I am as Wajijo John, I am vying for the Kisumu West seat. Because I really need, I have studied Kisumu West first of all. I've realized that the problems you're facing there are national issues. That is why I want to sit and represent my people at the National Assembly, so that hii maneno yote, when the laws that govern our economy is being written, I be part of that table. So that nione vile naweza saidia watu take Kisumu West kuendelea mbele.
Mohammed, what role are young people having? The role we can play in salvaging our country from this fuel crisis?
First of all, the role that we can play is to make sure that we have proper representation.
Okay.
We need to have youths in that decision-making table. And now we want young people to come up, to be brave, to come out and declare the candidacy for different seats. Hata kama we can have a youth president, let us have it. Yes.
The other day you had Gaucho in the office of this guy called Gaucho, Calvin's.
Board of
in
Mama Lucy Hospital.
Mama Lucy Hospital. And you guys were mocking him in the socials.
You know,
It's still funny.
Hospital board is a critical space to be. It is why it requires a lot of expertise in an individual. But I think really, why would you put someone who is a primary leaver I mean to be in the board where we have nurses who have worked maybe 6 years to just have their to just work as the nurses or the doctor that they are.
Have you confirmed that he dropped?
No, he said himself in an interview that he dropped in class 6. He confirmed that. There is an interview he did with Alex Mwakideo. He said aliacha class 6, which he was very okay with.
Maneno yake liishia hapo ama unajua kuna ku drop na kupiga.
Unajua hata wewe leo utoke useme ile class 2 we accept it that way. Alisema mwenyewe, sisi hatu kumwambia aseme. He said ama mimi nadanganya ndio nilisikia peke yangu.
Alisema.
They can confirm to you. Go and watch that interview. It is in the.
So it said this is not ask that is because it said young people are enemies of the fellow young people.
We are not enemies of our fellow young people. What we are trying to we have a lot of young people with the expertise that are required in these fields. Why don't they give an opportunity?
Okay.
That is what we are asking. Yeah.
Good. Tuko misa ni ojijo. Kibegedi lawi. Me weka Sadiq.
There is no problem. I have everything it takes.
No, they'll tell you your team was disbanded and everything went on.
No. Who told you that I only have certificates of me? No, you only know me now that I am at Kim. That I am at Kim.
Hello.
But who told you that I only have certificates of Kim? My friend, Yeah, so we have other papers apart from what we are doing currently at Kim.
Even if Kim is disbanded and everything goes on.
We are not saying or agitating that Kim must now be disbanded. It is matters with the court, and with the court.
I know you don't want to talk about it.
We are being limited on what to say. When matters with the court, actually.
Yes.
We are limited. Yeah.
It's around 7 minutes past 9. Dakos kalifanya biro bang sa dik. Okinyi makit kon maindi wanti to akodoje ndego ikuma wigi ler kabisa. Kawangio okengi ma ojende kata gima ojende nyalo timo mondo mi gineni gikonyo piny. Gich young people wanasema ni nguzo ya uchumi na nguzo ya maisha. As we conclude, what's your way forward? Jarotary in this matter. Alin poka winjo ke wacho ni be idwa dhi chung.
Okay. Nyaka sani. Poka gombo chung.
Okay, dua.
Agombo chung bel tok sani. Ama gogeta.
Wacho ni bo chung to kema.
Ama gogeta. Okadwa chung matem.
Okay.
Kamano. Gima da wacho.
Kako jijo temo.
Ojijo moni mono mi kijana youth wadwa chung kama
hiyo.
Adwa kunini Mr. Just as any 2027 wanaweka jigude. Election, we have to change the storyline.
Okay.
In fact, angadiri niya wangani wadhi vote youth for youth. Yubro neno. Kinago mboni mao the record ni 2027 idhi dok mathoth youth ochungi.
Yeah.
Wadhi dhi. Mani gimo the timo. Koro ka poka tieko gima da wacho en kama indi. Ada kwayo josiasa. Mokwongo, ahero josiasa masano oketo yudhe mbele. Nitiere ng'ama sani aspire bedo MP Kisumu Central manyinge Joakim Swaga. Joakim Swaga ong'ama oketo yudhe mbele. Koro ne jasiasa moro amora manoko kanyo ma neglects yudhe. Ma samoro paro ni siasa pod chalre ka chien kacha. Opogore 2027. 2027 yudhe nyaka bed mbele. To wabedo mbele kwalore ino kata sani feel presence masani inyo wasani ni. De wan gi yudhe mang'eny mbele kuchocho. Mong'eyo samoro gimwa kale. De samoro chal de ji mang'eny de gono matek malo kucho. Nikech osebedo ga ni joma dongo thothgi gin magin malo. We have to change the storyline come 2027. Come on.
Thank you very much. And more, as we draw to a close, maybe tell us in Angomi and why the reason why you are agitating for young people to have themselves fixed in different positions, and as a young man in Kisumu, do you also have a dream?
Yes, I do have a dream. And come 2032, my name will be in the ballot box.
For Wajir?
No, I am born in Kisumu County. I was born in Kisumu County. Just here in Jalarab.
You don't have to go back home?
Why? What am I doing? This is home for me.
But where is your home?
Garissa. Yeah.
You don't have to salvage your guys up there?
No.
Which part of Garissa?
Township.
Township?
Yeah.
You can do good in MP there, the way your friend is doing. You go salvage your guys there.
Well, mimi ni mtu wa Kisumu.
Tell us something about Kisumu.
Kisumu just needs better representation. Yeah. I think what the governor has done, he has done good work.
Professor Nyongo?
Yeah.
Okay.
He has done good work. And the person who will be the successor to him needs to do even better. Well, mine is to say, every generation is given a moment to define the destiny of its nation.
Okay.
Is this our time?
So you mean, 2027 you'll check how Akinoji you are doing,
Yes.
then you learn from their mistake. If they terribly fail,
I don't think he'll fail.
Thank you. The other day I saw you in a funeral.
Yes.
I don't know who died anyway, sorry for them. And for the first time I was seeing you speaking in the public, and I think I called you, didn't I?
Yeah, you did.
And I told you I didn't know you were doing these things. What pushes you so hard?
Well, what pushes me is seeing where the country is going at the moment. The girl who died is a student in my school. And despite me not being a Christian, I had to go because how I felt.
Okay.
Yeah. And I needed to be there for someone who had a bright future ahead of her.
Okay.
Yes.
So you becoming a sober leader to mean regardless of your religion, maybe
Yes.
you would still...
Because at the end of the day, you're going to represent different people from different cultures, people from different religions. And that is what politics and leadership is all about.
So 2032, honorable member for?
We will see by the time. We have a lot of
No,
options.
this guy is not shy.
I'm not shy. We have a lot of time ahead of
We
2032.
could start making imports post of mapema on your best. You guys say that.
No. First, wacha tupigane 2027. Let us have proper representation in
Tuone mkisukuma
2027.
Ojijo.
Yes.
Kisumu West.
Tutamsukuma, we will support him. He's a youth.
This guy,
Youth for youth.
he's a coward.
No, he's not a coward.
Ojijo,
It's only you who knows me as a coward.
who think you are? Ojijo,
Tell me.
who are your competitors in Kisumu West?
We have others who are cowards, as you mentioned. So maybe they'll come at the right time. I don't know when is the right time for them. Like I know Mama Rosa would want to go for
Governor?
I don't know whether she's going for governor, yeah, I guess. Then there are those I don't want to mention their names. Will be me giving them credits. Anyway, I am really ready as a young person. I am really ready as a young person.
I'm selling the credit here.
I am really ready as a
And
young
I'm the one
person.
who has asked you.
Just
The reason why I'm asking you that
Bwana
is
Justice.
just to test if you know
Bwana Justice.
your competitors. Now, let me ask another
Bwana
question.
Justice.
Allow me to ask another question now that you have dodged that.
Okay.
Where do Kisumu West run from and ends where?
Just as I have walked the entire Kisumu West from Nyahera, I've walked to Chulaimbo, I've gone down to Holo, I've gone even to where is this place called here around down here.
Galaure.
Not Galaure. Up in
Obambo.
Obambo. Yes,
where kids had demos the other day.
Thank you.
Yeah.
And what drives me?
I'm just helping you.
What drives me
Yes.
to vie for this seat actually?
Yes.
You know, I've been nimekaa Kisumu West kutoka maisha zangu za primary to high school and now to college.
I know you learned in some
and
funny school around there.
Not funny school, international school. if you're going to talk about Jans, make sure you include international school. Thank you. So, you see, just like I told you before, the problems we have within Kisumu West constituency, their solutions are locked behind national doors. We really need to have a sober leader who is having a sharp oversight mind to, you know, bring solutions to our problem, to our people. Young people ask me, I was engaging some of them before I came here, that was yesterday actually, and they told me that issues of, you know, unemployment, it's something that I'm not really promising to do it all, but I'm going to create solution to this. Personally, I'm having an intention to at least build, if not two, of digital hubs in every of my wards within Kisumu West constituency.
How many are the wards?
I mean, that is what I'm going to do.
How many are the wards?
The wards within Kisumu West. You can do your calculation and get the number. We have various wards in Kisumu West. We have various wards in Kisumu West. What we are going to do is make sure that we at least have 2 digital hubs in every of those areas. We need to create digital jobs to our young people, where a young person in Hall or Obambo, where you've mentioned, can work for a firm in UK or USA without physically living outside their constituency. So it is what we are going to try and do. These are things that are very, you know, we can do them.
Okay.
The only problem is that the leaders we have at the moment, as I want to prioritize maneno ya education. If you walked around Kisumu West and see some of their public schools, they are very pathetic. What we need, even the basic fencing of a school to protect our students at school or our learners, inashindikana. Maneno ya bursary, we need to release that without delay and without also you know, ile inafika kama mwali, you know, the highest stake of bursary is meant for education purpose, and Kisumu West is not doing that. So we need to really put things into order. That is why young person
the guys who are in power now spoke the same way you spoke before they got into
just
power.
as I'm a very different person. As a young person, I can be tried and tested to prove to the world what we can do. I am having a background in, you know, in management and strategic oversight.
Somebody would ask you somewhere
Yes.
that you're saying, I have just made a statement that people who are in those positions spoke similarly the same way you spoke before they got into power.
Yes.
And somebody would ask you, as a young person, what have you done?
Yeah, my background, just as not about what you've done, is about the scope of impact that you carry for your people. It is not about manifesto. What is the impact? How am I willing or capable of changing the lives of my people back at my constituency? That is why it needs people with my background in management and strategic oversight. I tell you, and I want to tell my people from Kisumu West constituency that they should give me a chance come 2027 and see what we can do. They've never tried any young person before, but this time they should try a young person. That is why we're going to, you know, you will see for yourself just as.
Is politics a dirty game?
I wouldn't say the same, because why am I vying then if it is a dirty game? So even if it is a dirty game, we are here to rectify everything. So we want to
get more dirty.
We want to do things the different way. we are not going to say it is a dirty game.
Tumalize Watekuru. Your last word, Jarotari. Maybe I keep forgetting your name. It's going off my mind. I'm sorry for that. Your last word, and what I would want you to include, what you do want to tell young people wherever they are, and how would you want them to come in unison to support whatever sector of the government you want them to support?
Okay.
Your parting
an gima kwayo gi sani yudhe wuok oko nikech sani pacho koro chiek sana. Akwayo yudhe wetena manoko kanyo mondo giwuog oko 2027 nyaka percent mamalo mag jotelo ma pacho kaendi nyaka bed yudhe. Wachna mogik akawo thuolo ni endi mar wish the incoming Kisumu Central MP Joakim Okech-Swaga nikech umiome wacho kama just as in mind.
No, I know I can call him.
Call him. Akawo thuolo mar wish is now the incoming
birthday.
I wish him I'm a bear nikech is now the incoming MP Kisumu Central. Ineno Mr. Jiji mondo misa moro abede mesa ma quarantine. An youth masa moro nokung'eyo lakini omako bado miyo abino ng'ama dhano kawuono. Omiyo akwayo yudhewa kopo I support ng'ato. Support ng'ama nyalo konyi. An
Iwacho ni nosemi chiemo yieng'.
ok osemiya chiemo yieng'. Swago osekonyo ji mang'eny. Yudhe swago osekonyo mang'eny. Ok an kenda. Masa mo joma nena kanyalo testify. Swago osekonyo ji mang'eny. Kendo ageno ni e thuolo mwabiro e ndini ma 2027 yudhe mondo yier jotelo mong'egi gi nying-gi ong'eyo ng'ato ka ng'ato mong'eyo gima wakale indi. Mogik ne comrades wa man within Kisumu County, man Kenya mzima, kik ti kodwa e yore mag kelo tulo ka jomoko gen godo gigegi to wan to giwe wakwenyore.
Okay.
Mondo wabed uru joma nigi sober minds kochwo 2027 en youth for youth. We are no will make aparo ni just as anaja wangla kopogore gi telo.
My dear, I saw.
Ajatung.
Hold on. The photo I saw you with the governor is like you are in a very funny posture.
Aja wangla.
What posture was that?
Yeah, mache koro nan entertainment. By then odokane CS entertainment.
Before you tell me something about your angle, now that you know you are area MP 2027
Yes.
in Kisumu Central, who is your governor?
My governor is Rosa Buyu. Rosa Buyu is my governor. Because an gimo miyo, an ng'ama miyo, ahero.
Owena thuolo kocha donge.
Rosa Buyu ene kijana wadwa kocha. Rosa Buyu is the now incoming governor Kisumu County.
Ihero tiyo?
Ahero tiyo gi jama mine.
Oh, okay.
Nikech dong king'iya kama ineno kwandisore ka. Gimomiyo wandisore kama endi ke joma mine. Nikech e puodho mar Eden, ng'ama nofwenyo ni wan
Oh no, Gigi is getting furious now.
Okay, atemo wacho ni king'iyo kaka wabedo kaendi, wandisore. To wandisore kama nikech joma mine. E puodho mar Eden joma nomiyo fwenyo ni waonge nanga mondo rwak nanga ne gi joma mine. Wandisore kosa kwandisore Mr. G. Dong wandisore. Omeyo governor 2027. Okay.
He's referring to me as you now.
Gini tek mara race mar governor. An gi Rosa Buyu. Rosa Buyu kata kipenjo ng'ato san. Jomoko pod paro ni ene women rep. Nikech gik manotimo.
Okay.
E 2027 wan kaka yudhe akwayo ni support Rosa Buyu, lakini governor gini ne Kisumu Central MP to kanyo wan gi wuodo mino Joakim Swaga.
Oh.
Slamboy. Mano ng'ama ong'e kaka yudhe chiemo.
Okay.
Moro kabisa goyo kamano.
I'll call him to see if he sent you.
Okay.
Anyway, so that we give him an invoice, eh?
Okay.
And your Hangla thing?
Okay.
What are you singing?
Just as anawiro wangla, modern wangla.
Look at them eyes, look at you like you're crazy, man.
Mondo mi samoro kata swaga nungea through wangla.
So you sang Swagger?
Oh yeah, away.
Give us a line. We go.
Swagati esiti, swagati yo heiboma, yawa swaga pingotek, wuodo kechi pingotek, yawa swaga jiyoero, wuodo magi jiyoero, yawa swaga humbelach, wuodo kechi humbelach. Kora aja wangla, kora aro por kitelo, aja wangla.
Atiwache na ogek mara moro konyalo gini.
You have one? No, this guy doesn't know you. He said he doesn't know
Oji jokiri moro, no ya.
No, you went after chance kwa entertainment show up afternoon.
Yes.
But a show. We'll link you with the lady in charge.
Okay.
Utapata chance maybe next week ukuje uimbe hiyo Swagger yako hapo.
Thank you very much.
Umlete.
Okay, ndamlete.
Moha.
Yes.
And you, this guy is singing Swagger. What are you singing? I know Moha doesn't sing.
Well, for me, I won't say who I'm supporting as of now. But what I can tell you is
Yes.
I will support whoever has the best interest of comrades at heart.
Okay.
Yes.
And maybe what's your last word to wananchi young people as they go to the Mandamano? What should they be doing?
For me, what I would say is tuchukue kura. We have a lot of young people.
That's
who
okay, by the way.
Yeah, we have a lot of young people who haven't taken their voter registration cards. So the destiny of this nation is in your hands.
Okay.
Tuchukue kura. Yes.
Ojijo used to tell me wako kadi. Are you still carded?
Tuko kadi. I don't know whether you're asking me also to give my parting shot.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
Because time is gone.
There's a gentleman who keeps on texting me. He's telling me that he's watching me live. His name is Sammy001. He's the incoming senator of Kisumu County.
Who said that?
So Sammy is vying, and many people of Kisumu, you can ask around. They will tell you Sammy is, maybe for your information, if you do not know him by now, you should get to know him. So thank you, Sammy, for watching. He's all the way. He's in the US. Anyway, my party shot. Sammy is from Kobura. Sammy comes from Kochian.
So he's in Uyoma here. Uyoma's here.
No, USA. That is
Oh,
what I
Maju.
meant. Yeah, Maju. Yes.
Okay, I thought it's around. Okay.
So to the young people, to the young people,
Yes,
this will
yes.
not be quite different. It will be just reiterating what my partners here have said about tuhakikishe there is voter registration that is still continuing at the constituency level. Let the young people wenye bado wako kadi wahakikishe kwamba wako kadi, because hiyo kadi ndio ni silaha yetu. And I keep telling you that the kadi ya young people, when you say tuko kadi, we meant the card is a red card. So you will see what that will do in 2027.
Okay.
So another thing again is
If it backfires,
justice. Don't just dare the power that the young people are having.
no.
So
This is the only point where young people go wrong.
no.
Mohammed, if you go to seduce a young woman
Yes.
and she refuses, what do you do?
Justice.
Do you die?
No,
Justice.
you don't.
And I'm asking Ojijo, what if it backfires?
You've
Do you have a plan B the way Baba used to have?
we have a plan B, justice. And that plan B tutaionyesha hii 2027 ikifika, ni plan B
You don't want to show us your plan B card now.
No. Sasa hii tuhakikisha kwamba tumejiami na kura. Actually every young person mwenye hiyo ili miss hakikisha kwamba anatembea pale kwa hizo constituency.
And the same question comes down to you. If you don't clinch the Kisumu West post, what happens?
Just as it is about the people. One thing I've loved, nimetembea Kisumu constituency. Hiyo Kisumu West hiyo constituency. And nimeona vijana wadogo, the people I'm having, they are really willing to engage each other katika candid conversation.
Okay.
That is matters our constituency. So they're not just going to vote you because umetoa pesa ngapi kwa ground, but they're going to vote you because of the vision you carry for the constituency.
Almost ask you how much are you having.
Yeah. So I think don't worry. It's not about how much you're having. It's about the manifesto and the vision that you carry forward for the people down there. So that is why they are preferring me so far as their best candidate for the MP Kisumu West seat, which I am so glad of. So let young people wachukue kura, tupige kura, tusifikirie na tumbo yetu, tufikirie na akili zetu when we go to the ballot kupiga hiyo kura. Yeah.
Well, just as before we finish,
Okay.
I've seen he has endorsed someone for the senator. Nimeona we have endorsed someone
Wallahi,
for
and
member
I'm
of
wondering
parliament.
why you're not
I'm
endorsing.
endorsed for governor. Well, for me, I will endorse Honorable Victor Jajok for MCA.
No, who is that? I've never even seen him.
You'll see him. He's a man with a vision for the people of market.
The guy I saw running in the street of Kisumu with placards.
I was with him.
That guy has a vision.
That guy has a vision for the people of
Moaz,
market
right?
Yes, I support Honorable Victor Jajok because, as you can see, he is not even elected and he's been giving out bursaries.
To who? I've never seen.
For students. There's Victor Jajok Foundation. You should look into it. This man is doing more for the people, even more than MCAs are doing at the moment. And once he is elected, I'm very sure he'll change the lives of many people in Kisumu Central Market Milimani Ward.
Now, should I say mine?
Yes,
Peter Jajok is also my
Jajok.
fellow comrade.
It's a joke.
Is Jajok? Is
Jajok.
the
Yeah.
joke?
The name is so
Jajok.
difficult anyway.
Is it Jajok or
I don't
Jajok?
know.
Jajok.
I will
Whoever
know
he
as
is,
time goes by.
It's my comrade in Linda Mwananchi.
Okay.
Yeah, I've met him severally in
That's
our
good.
occasions.
It's 26 minutes past 9 a.m. Watimo musnika unene watemo tuagina chelka chelgi the ngere kod soyo. Just for the sake of Mohamud, who may not be getting well with the Luosana. Lakini winjitu kama matini.
Yeah, I understand kidogo.
Huh?
I understand the look kidogo.
Oyaure.
Oyaure.
Good. Watimo was kauna no chuno amuni mata chenroni kod do soyo kod ngere matin kech Mohamud Mawud Wajir mabe no wachani dala gi okodogi so we're remaining in Kisumu.
Yes.
Wagera kama community thulo mondo mubi utwa kodo young people, and when we invite you next time, create time. We're going to make it a culture that's once in a week you have time and come air your issues here and talk to your people. In Kala TV we say Machigni Pacho, my order. That simply means welcome home, this is our house. Last word, you have something. I see you raise your finger.
On this Saturday, we want to invite.
No, if it's an announcement, I'll give you invoice. You
No,
pay.
please.
What do you want to say, Mohammed?
We have a street cleanup program and a street children feeding program.
What is that?
The Kisumu Central Student Leaders Guild. We came together and we decided we want to do what's best for the comrades and what is best for the community. So this coming Saturday, we will have a street cleanup program and a street children feeding program.
Okay.
We want to invite.
Where are you running from? From where to where? Now that you've started
It will
mentioning.
be at the Kisumu Bus Park. We will start from Kisumu Bus Park and then Amlori Market. That is where the cleanup exercise will take place. We will give details on the street children feeding program will take place.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
What did you want me to do?
We are inviting you. The media. Yes. We are
You want me to
inviting
come and
everyone,
clean
traders,
streets?
leaders, we are
I will
inviting
come.
students,
I
the
will
youth.
come. I put
and
on
you,
my
Justus.
my yango.
Yes, you come.
I will come and clean the street.
Thank you.
Just matters on a students forum. We are also having a
You guys
good.
don't want us to finish.
We
Yes.
also have a good initiative.
Food initiative.
A good initiative.
Or he.
We have.
Or
personally,
you.
we
Another
have,
one.
That is, comrades leadership bridge.
Yes.
We are we engage with the student leaders from Nyanza campuses, across Nyanza campuses. So we invite these fellows. They also leaders from their campuses where they come from, to be part of leadership bridge.
Okay.
That personally I'm part of. So that one tutaongea nje ya tent. And also would love to invite the maybe comrades na leaders wa shule zile ziko Nyanza, wahakikishe kwamba they become part of this. It is a good initiative.
Are you also joining us in the cleanup?
Definitely, yes. He's a
Before
good
we come
friend.
to your thing.
He's a good friend. So far we've made very good friendships. So tutahakikisha tumekuja kusupport fellow young person, whatever young person.
I'll see you in Apron.
Haina shida.
Thank you very much, gentlemen, for creating time to be with us here today. While tikika nyako na mgajongu mabere ndu bedo kodwa sapa gari okinyi nyaka sani wagwero kamano. Wachokwa time kindu diching makin kincheng teacher deck Wednesday, ladies night tomorrow. Wachakwa time chindo neno machelo mar Sulwe Mokinyi machakore sa pargari okinyi nyaka thuolo market kod malunga just sadoya would say let's meet tomorrow. Thank you.
Unatiki saa ngwene.